Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the secondary click so the Mac knows what you want. Open System Settings, then Trackpad or Mouse. Choose the secondary click type, two-finger tap or bottom right physical click, because each feels different and maps to distinct gestures. Once done, test on the desktop. Right-click should open the contextual menu. If it does not, make sure the setting is saved and you selected the correct device under Bluetooth or USB, since the wrong device would ignore your change. Now you practice using the right-click in common scenarios so it becomes muscle memory. Right-click a file to reveal Rename, Copy, and Get Info options. Right-click a link to open a new tab. These differences matter because context changes available actions. Once comfortable, add modifier keys. Hold Option or Command while right-clicking to show alternate or advanced options. Make sure to try both trackpad gestures and an external mouse if you switch devices. Consistency prevents accidental left clicks. To finish, verify behavior across apps and finalize your preferred gesture. If something fails, follow a simple troubleshooting order. First, toggle the setting off and on and restart your Mac. Many issues clear quickly. Next, disconnect and reconnect external mice or Bluetooth devices since pairing glitches cause ignored clicks. If problems persist, reset PRAM or SMC and update macOS because firmware fixes input bugs. Finally, you'll know it's resolved when context menus appear reliably with your chosen right-click gesture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.